Hello everyone, welcome once again. Now in today's video we're going to work on or concentrate on how to recover your Roblox account. Let's say for one reason or the other it has been deactivated and you need to recover it. So let's go on how to do it. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide. Let's start. And the first thing you need to do is, if you're using a PC, you need to access the Roblox recovery page, which is you go to this particular URL here. Then if you are using a mobile phone, you simply open the Roblox app, tap the three lines in the top left corner and select settings. Scroll down and tap forgot password. Now once you've done this, now you are in the Roblox recovery page. Next thing you have to do is to choose your recovery method. You can choose email. If you have an email address associated with your account, enter it and click submit. You receive an email with a link to reset your password. Quite simple. If you associated or you linked your phone number to your Roblox account, the artist has been verified actually, and it is linked to your account, enter it and click continue. You receive an SMS with a code to verify your account. Once you've gotten your email, what do? Open the email, click the link and create a new password for your account. If you're using a phone number, enter the code you received via SMS and create a new password. Then you can use your username and the new password you created to log into your Roblox account. Now let me summarize that again. If you're using a PC, you go to this URL provided here, and then if you use an email or phone number, with an email, you get an email, you use the email address associated with your account, enter that email address, click on submit, you receive an email with a link to your password. So once you get that email, click the link and create a new password for your account. Then you can now log in using your username and the new password you created in your Roblox account. Now if it wasn't an email you got, instead you use a phone number, that phone number must have been verified and it is linked to your account. Then you enter the phone number and click on continue. Once you get an SMS with a code to verify your account, enter the code you receive via SMS and create a new password. Now next thing you do is to log in using your username and the new password you created. That's how to log into your Roblox account. So if you're using a phone, like I said, the only difference is instead of going to the URL provided, you simply open the Roblox app, tap the three lines in the top left corner and select settings. Scroll down and tap forgot password. Their steps are still the same. Now additional tip, let me give you an additional tip. If you can't remember your email that we used, if you can't remember the email or the phone number that is linked to your Roblox account, you may need to contact Roblox support for further assistance. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Always keep your account information safe and avoid sharing it with others. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Roblox account and continue playing your favorite games. Hope you found this video helpful. I trust you did. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day.